And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the west there just under an hour ago. It looks a little darker out there than it really is. That's just the contrast between the sky and the ground. But we did manage to see a few rays of sunshine today break through later than what we hoped for. We hoped it would be the afternoon. So right now we're mostly cloudy. We did hit zero. We were at -2 just an hour or so ago, and that was our daytime high up to that point. So we've surpassed that. We are at -12 at 2 a.m. this morning. Yesterday that low pressure center moved through at 3 p.m. we were at 7 degrees. At 5 p.m. we were at -3. So that really zipped through quickly. And of course, we've all taken a hit temperature-wise as that low pressure center scooted through and pulled down some of the cooler air to the north. But we will be recovering, as I said to Jackie, once we get that upper level flow, which right now you can see is coming out of the northwest, to meld with the surface flow, which is right now out of the west. Once those two get in line, we'll start to see a push of that west-southwesterly air really making its way into southern Alberta as we head into the ensuing days. But a lot of cloud cover still pushing through, so we didn't get a whole lot of sunshine this afternoon. It's just starting to break up that cloud cover coming in from the northwest, and that's why we did manage to see a few rays of sunshine in the latter part of the afternoon hours. Forecaster showing us just basically a clearer pattern here right now. It's not really picking up a whole lot of that cloud cover. Tomorrow, though, it wants to put in precipitation mainly to the north and just bands of cloud moving through the south, but we'll just have to keep an eye on that later in the afternoon. Tomorrow, of course, clearing skies once again, but precipitation mostly right now looks like isolated to the foothills and the mountains. -6 degrees in St. John's right now. Winter storm watches out for southern Quebec all through New Brunswick. Halifax going to have a rain event for the next 24 hours. Heavy rainfall warnings out, strong winds and winter storm alerts out for eastern Canada as well. The eastern section of the prairies were the sunniest today. Lots of sunshine in Winnipeg, -4 degrees, -5 in Regina, and -8 in Saskatoon, but they had a nice sun and cloud mix. -2 degrees, fairly cloudy in Edmonton, and of course, areas to the east of Edmonton expecting snowfall overnight tonight. Cloudy in Vancouver. Up north in Whitehorse, had a fairly sunny day, but expecting snow showers to develop tomorrow, -25 right now, and Yellowknife is looking at drifting snow right now. East Kootenay, you're looking at an overnight low of -1 under partly cloudy skies, -3 for a, or a -11 for a low, -1, wouldn't that be nice? -3 for a high tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix, there is a chance of some flurry in your forecast future, and not too windy in the afternoon. Crow's Nest Pass, mainly cloudy tonight, down to -4, windy tonight, windy tomorrow. Cloudy skies with some sunny breaks and then that chance of flurry activity. 3 degrees for a daytime high. For Medicine Hat, you're looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight, down to -4. Tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix, a high of 0. Winds will be out of the west at about 30 kilometers per hour by mid-afternoon. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at an overnight low of -3 degrees. It'll be a little windy tonight. We're already seeing that happening. And then tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, west winds at 40 to 60 kilometers per hour, 4 degrees. And you saw in Forecaster putting that flurry activity just into the foothills. Don't be surprised if just in that wind flow out of the west we might pick up the odd little flurry, but we're not looking at any major system. So 4 degrees tomorrow, 10 degrees as we head into Sunday, and look at the numbers for the rest of the 5-day forecast. We're looking at really mild conditions, considering -1 is average for us this time of year. Congratulations to Mason. Mason has worked with about 7 or 8 different organizations that help troubled children all across Canada, and now he's in southern Alberta, and we're happy to have him. We have a basket here for Mason. That's it for me. Have a very safe weekend, everyone.